Thank you. If you notice a lot of people in Neil's story wearing orange, it's for good reason. Today is Wear Orange Day. It's a national effort to raise awareness and put an end to gun violence. Madison Gaffner joining us live from the Faulkner County Boys and Girls Club with more on the Martin Luther King Jr.'s Commission event today. Madison.
Laura, hundreds of boys and girls all dressed in orange with their listening ears on, listening for that one message of how to end gun violence. The Martin Luther King Jr. Commission says it's a unifying day promoting peace and nonviolence, specifically gun violence, through wearing the color orange. The commission engaging with young people at the community at the Faulkner County Boys and Girls Club, the children participating in activities and listening to insightful conversations from the MLK Jr. Commission about nonviolence.
Orange means, hey, you know what, look at me, pay attention to me. That brightness, that orange, it brings a lot of seriousness and a serious issue of something that we really need to talk about, which is gun violence.
Also, Troy Braswell, the Faulkner County Circuit Court judge, and Officer Tommy Norman were there to share the importance of making good decisions, such as serving others and our community. All of them say ending gun violence, quote, starts with us. The event ended with a balloon release in memory of all those here in the state of Arkansas who lost their life to gun violence this year. Reporting live in Conway, I'm Madison Gaffner, KRK4 News.